Good morning, students. We are going to learn about what are national festivals. India is a country or a nation. All people who live in this country are Indians. National festivals are celebrated all over the country by the people. These are three national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. Independence Day 15 August. Republic Day 26 January. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Now let's have all the detail in national festivals. Now first, Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. A long time ago, India was ruled by British. We remember all our freedom fighters who gave their life for the nation on this day. Prime Minister of the India hoists the national flag of the Red Fort in New Delhi. He made the speech and asked the all up to by saying Jai Hind. Flag are hoisted. We cross the country in all the city to towns, village and school. Second is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. School children and folk dancers from the different parts of the country participate in the parade. Lots of the people come to see this colorful parade. The President of India hosts the national flag. We salute the national flag. Hosting is followed by culture programs all over the country. Now third festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Thank you, students. Have a good day.